Heartbreak. It's a universal experience, a pain that can feel as real as a physical wound. Imagine the gut-wrenching feeling of losing a loved one, the one you thought was going to be there forever. It's like a storm that hits you out of nowhere, leaving you drenched in sorrow and loneliness. The world around you seems to lose its color, the laughter and joy drained away, leaving only a hollow echo of what once was. It's a deep, dark hole of despair that swallows you whole, making you feel like you're the only person in the world who's going through this pain. But let me tell you something. This profound sadness, this intense loneliness, it's all part of the healing process. It's a testament to the love you once shared, a sign that what you had was real. No one is immune to heartbreak, and it's okay to feel the pain. It's part of being human. When you're nursing a broken heart, taking care of yourself may seem like the last thing you want to do, but it's an essential step to healing. Now let's think about self-care. This isn't about indulging in a pint of ice cream or binge-watching your favorite series. We're talking about genuine self-care that fosters a healthy lifestyle. It's about making sure you're getting regular physical activity. It doesn't have to be a marathon or a heavy lifting session. A simple walk around the block or a 15-minute yoga routine can do wonders. It's about nourishing your body with proper nutrition. Good food is fuel for your body, and it also impacts your mood. And let's not forget about sleep, the underrated hero of self-care. Adequate rest is crucial for your body and mind to function properly. All these activities can improve your mood, reduce stress, and help you regain your strength. Remember, you're worth taking care of, even when you're hurting. Heartbreak can leave you feeling lost, but it's also an opportunity to rediscover who you are outside of a relationship. It's time to dust off those hobbies that you've shelved, the ones that you used to love. Dive into them with all your heart. Paint, write, run, whatever sets your soul on fire, follow it. Spending time with loved ones can also be a comforting balm during these tough times. Surround yourself with those who uplift and inspire you. Share your feelings, your fears, your dreams. It's in these shared moments that we often find our strength renewed. Practicing mindfulness is another key to reconnecting with yourself. It teaches you to live in the present, embracing each moment as it comes. It's a journey of self-discovery, of acceptance, of healing. But remember, if the sadness becomes too much, it's okay to reach out. Seek professional help if you need it. It's okay to ask for help. You're not alone in your journey to healing. As time passes, the pain of heartbreak will start to fade, and you'll begin to see a future without that person in it. It might sound daunting, but it's a part of the healing process. To truly move forward, forgiveness is key. It's not about condoning what happened or forgetting the past, but rather about releasing the weight of resentment and bitterness that can hold you back. Letting go can be tough, but it's a crucial step towards personal growth. Holding on to past hurts can keep you stuck, preventing you from embracing new experiences and opportunities. The act of letting go doesn't mean you're erasing the past or forgetting what happened. It means you are moving on with your life. Moving on is a sign of strength, a testament to your resilience. It's about accepting what has happened, learning from it, and opening your heart to the possibilities of tomorrow. Remember, every ending is a new beginning. Overcoming heartbreak is a journey, not a destination. As we've journeyed together through this heartache, we've acknowledged the pain and the sorrow that comes with love lost. We've walked through the fires of grief and emerged with a profound understanding of the importance of self-care. Nurturing ourselves, physically and emotionally, forms the foundation for our healing journey. We've also learned the power of reconnecting with oneself. In the midst of the storm, we found the strength to turn inward, to rediscover who we are beyond the confines of a relationship. This self-reconnection is a crucial step in the process of moving on. And moving on, though it may seem daunting, is not only possible but also a testament to our resilience. It's about embracing the prospect of new beginnings, of opening our hearts to love and life once again. So, remember, you're stronger than you think, and you have the power to heal and find happiness again.